Hi everyone, welcome to this session on Artificial Intelligence Agent. I am Anuj Kumar, Assistant Professor, MERI College, Janakpuri, Delhi. And now I am excited to guide you through this important topic today. What is Artificial Intelligence Agent? These agent systems are shaping the way we interact with technology every day. For examples, have you used a chatbot for customer support or ask Siri for directions? These are examples of AI agent at work. But you have ever wondered how do they make decisions and respond so intelligently? Now the other example of AI agent are self-driving car. Self-driving car navigate busy street, making a split-second decision and avoid accident. How does it think and act on its own? The answer lies in AI agent, which we will explore today. In this session, we will break down what AI agents are and how they function, and their real-world example from virtual assistant to autonomous robots. First of all, definition of AI agent. An AI agent is computational entity designed to interact with environment by perceiving data through sensor and acting upon the environment using actuators to achieve specific goals. These agents can range from simple software program to the complex system capable of autonomous decision making. Some key characteristics of AI agent. There are 4 types of AI characteristics. The first one is autonomy, the second is reactivity, the third one is proactiveness, the fourth one is social ability. Now the first one, autonomy. Autonomy refers to an agent's ability to function independently without external control. This means agent can make decision and execute action on its own, guided by its programming and any learning it has acquired. For example, consider self-driving car. A self-driving car automatically navigates roads, obeys traffic signal, and avoids obstacles without human intervention, relying on the sensor and algorithm to make driving decision. Reactively is the agent responsiveness to change or event in environment. A reactive agent continuously monitors its surroundings and react to ensure appropriate behavior. For example, a thermostat in a heating system monitor room temperature and react by turning the heating on or off to maintain a desired temperature. The third is proactiveness. Proactiveness involves the agent's ability to take initiative, anticipate future needs or goals, and act advance to address them. For example, an email spam filter. An email spam filter not only react to no spam email but also proactively update its filter criteria based on emerging spam pattern to prevent future unwanted emails. Now fourth one is social ability. A social ability is the agent capability to interact with other agent or humans. It share information, coordinate action or collaborate to achieve common goals. For example, virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa engage in conversation with user, understand command, provide information and perform tasks, demonstrating social interaction capability. Now we talk about type of artificial intelligent agent. There are 5 types of artificial agent. The first one is reflexive agent, second module based agent, third one is a goal based agent, fourth utility based agent, and fifth one is learning agent. Now first is simple reflexive agent. In simple reflexive agent is an AI system that make decision slowly based on the current percept, or we can say that input from the environment without using past experience or future prediction. These agents follow predefined condition action rules, or we can say that if then rule, and do not maintain an internal model of the world, how they work. It senses the environment. The agent detects current condition using sensor and match perception with a rule. It checks if there is a predefined response for current input, then take immediate decision. The agent performs the corresponding action without referring to the past event. For example, process thermostat. In thermostat, temperature is below 80 degrees centigrade, then turn on the heater. If temperature is above 25 degrees centigrade, then turn off the heater. The thermostat does not remember the previous temperature, it's only reacting to the current reading. Some other examples are simple reflexive agent are automatic doors, traffic lights, soap dispensers and hand dryer, smoke detectors. Characteristics of simple reflexive agent. There is no memory in reactive behavior. Second is suitable for environment. Third is fast and efficient. Limitation of simple reflexive agent. It cannot learn. It limited intelligence. Ineffective in complex environment. Cannot handle ambiguous input. Now second agent is model-based reflective agent. In model-based reflective agent is an AI system that maintains an internal model of the world, allowing it to make more informed decisions compared to simple reflex agent. Instead of only reacting to immediate input, these agents store relevant information about past state and use it to improve their response in dynamic environment. How they work. First, it perceives the environment. The agent gather data through the sensor and update internal model. Match perception with predefined condition and action rules. Take action based on both current input and store knowledge. For example, self-driving car. In self-driving car, recognize obstacles automatically. A self-driving car must react not just to immediate sensor input but also remember and predict what is happening around it. Perception. In perception, detect an obstacle using camera and LiDAR sensor. Internal model. Remember nearby car, road signs and speed limit. Next, decision making. Prediction where the obstacle is moving or stationary of adjust speed accordingly. Some other example of model-based reflexive agents are smart vacuum cleaner, sometimes called Roomba, and autonomous drones, AI games like chess, FPS boards, weather forecasting system. Now characteristics of model-based reflexive agent. First is memory storage, second handle dynamic environment, more intelligent than simple reflexive agent. Now limitation of model-based reflexive agent. First is required more data processing, second can still make mistake, and third do not fully adaptive. Fourth one is still rule based. Now the type of third agent is goal based agent. A goal based agent an AI system that work toward achieve a specific goals or set of objectives. Unlike reflexive agent which simply react to their environment, goal based agent use reasoning and planning to determine best action that will help them to reach predefined goals. They evaluate different possible action and select the one most likely to be succeed. How they it work? The first is perceive environment. Gather information about the current state of the world. Second, set the goal. Identify specific objective they want to achieve. Third, plan sequence of action. It evaluate different options and decide one of the best sequence to reach the goals. Next, take an action. It execute the chosen plan and monitor progress toward the goals. Next point is reassess and adjust. If the current plan is not working, then agent may adjust its strategy or plan new action. For example, AI chess trying to checkmate the opponent. In a chess, AI goals is to checkmate the opponent king. Goals: checkmate the opponent king, and perception: analyze the board position of the pieces. In planning, evaluate possible moves, advance toward checksum. In action, execute best move to get closer to checkmate. The AI continuously reassess considering future moves and responds until the goal is achieved. Some other examples of goal-based agent are GPS navigation system like Google Maps, robotic surgery, automated planning system, AI in video games. Now the characteristics of goal-based agent is purpose-driven. They focus on achieve specific predefined goals. In planning, they can create a series of steps, reach the goals. In flexibility, intelligent decision making. Now the limitation of goal-based agent. The first is complexity. It more complex than other. Second is required clear goals. Third one is inability to adapt fully. Now the fourth type of agent is utility-based agent. A utility-based agent is an AI system that evaluates different options and chooses one of them that provide most benefit based on specific utility function. Utility is measure of how good a particular option is, and this agent make decision that maximize their overall performance or satisfaction. How they work. It first perceives the environment. The agent gather data, its surrounding or inputs. Second, evaluate possible action. The agent consider various options and their outcomes. Third is assign utility value. Each possible action is assigned a utility score representing its potential benefit. Next is choose the best action. The agent select the action which highest utility to maximize its overall goals. Next is execute the action. The agent take the chosen action and evaluate the outcomes. For examples, recommendation system like Netflix, YouTube or Amazon, search engine like Google's, ride-sharing apps like Uber and Ola, stock market AI, robo-advisors, smart home system and so on. Now characteristics of utility-based agent. First is maximization of benefit. Second, flexible decision making. Third, efficient in complex environment and so on. Now limitation of utility-based agent. It required accurate utility measurement, complex in evaluating all options, limited adaptability. Now the last and fifth types of AI agent is learning-based agent. In a learning-based agent is an AI system that improve its performance over time by learning from experiences. Unlike other agents which follow predefined rules or decision-making strategy, learning agent can adapt and evolve their behavior based on feedback from the environment. They continuously refine their models, make them more efficient and achieve their goals as they gain more data and experiences. How they it work? It perceives the environment. The agent collect information through sensor or user interaction. Next, take an action. It perform an action based on current knowledge or strategy. Next, receive feedback. The agent receive feedback from the environment or user. Feedback either negative or positive, which help to evaluate success of its action. Next, learn from experience. The agent update its knowledge or model to improve future performance based on the feedback. Next one is refine strategy. The agent adjusts its behavior to increase likelihood of achieving its goals more effectively. For example, virtual assistant Siri, Alexa or Google Assistant. Virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa improve over the time by learning from the user interaction. Next is recommendation system like Netflix, YouTube or Spotify. Self-driving cars, gaming AI like AlphaGo, OpenAI 5. Next is spam filter. Now the characteristics of learning-based agent. First is adaptability. Second, experience-based improvement. Third, ability to generalize. Now limitation of learning agent. Some limitations are required large database, slow initial performance, risk of overfitting and ethical concern. Now conclusion of AI agents are it revolutionizing industry by offering solutions that improve efficiency, reduce cost and enhance decision making from healthcare diagnostic to fraud detection and customer services. AI continue to drive innovation and shaping the future of various sectors. Thank you all.